In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Shopify store to Instagram Shop. By the end, your products will be ready to appear on Instagram with inventory and orders managed right inside Shopify, keeping everything simple and consistent. Start in your Shopify admin. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand sidebar and open Apps. In the App Store search, type Instagram. You'll see several options, but the one you want is the official Facebook and Instagram sales channel by Meta. Choosing the official channel matters because both Facebook Shop and Instagram Shop are powered by Meta and use the same commerce platform and product catalog, which gives you the most reliable connection and the smoothest review process. Go ahead and install the Facebook and Instagram channel. When it's installed, head down to Settings in the bottom left of your Shopify admin, then open Apps and Sales Channels. Find Facebook and Instagram in the list and open it. From here, click to connect your Facebook business. The setup wizard will guide you to sign in to your Meta account and select the correct business manager, Facebook page, and product catalog. If you already have a catalog, you can choose it. Otherwise, the channel can create one for you and begin syncing your Shopify products automatically. Here's the key point. When you complete the connection for Facebook Shop in this channel, you're also connecting Instagram Shopping because both draw from the same Meta Commerce account and catalog. That means you don't have to build things twice. Your product data flows from Shopify into Meta and becomes available to Instagram. Allow a little time for your products to sync. Larger catalogs may take longer, and Meta may review your shop before it goes live. Keep product titles, descriptions, prices, and images accurate and compliant with commerce policies. If any item shows as in review or rejected, open it from the channel to see the reason, correct it in Shopify, and let it resync. A few tips to make approval smoother. Make sure your store has clear shipping and refund policies published. Keep your domain verified within the Facebook and Instagram channel, and set product availability to include the Facebook and Instagram sales channel so items actually sync. If you manage multiple pages or business managers, double-check you've selected the same ones your Instagram professional account uses to avoid connection conflicts. Once the channel shows that your shop and catalog are connected, you're set. You've linked Shopify to Instagram, shop through the Facebook and Instagram app, and connecting Facebook Shop here also enables Instagram shopping under the same catalog and business account.